वालेकुम। अच्छा, आज हम पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे कस्टम इंस्पेक्टर इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर का पेपर, जो कि हुआ था 2/9/2021 को, और ये बैच 4 का पेपर था। तो इसके कंप्लीट 100 MCQs हैं। तो आए डिस्कस करते हैं इसको। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इज डैश एवरी ईयर, थिंग्स आर मोर एक्सपेंसिव, तो राइजिंग इसका राइट आंसर है। Second question. It's a nice day. I dash we go out for a walk. Suggest. I knew Sarah was very busy, so I dash her. Did not disturb. How many plays dash Shakespeare write? So did is correct answer. It's a dash of factory. 500 people are employed there. Big. He gave up smoking 2 years ago. He dashed 40 cigarettes a day. Used to smoke. I am sorry about what happened yesterday. It dash happen again. Would not. Phone me after 8 o'clock. Dash dinner by them. I will have finished. If I dash to the party last night, I dash met lot of people. Had gone and would have. If I dash hungry, I dash eaten something. Had been and would have. Do not be late dash. None of these correct answers. I wish I dash applied for that job. Had. I ran 10 kilometers without stopping. Which option explained the bold word in the sentence I have ever felt embarrassed in my life? Adverb of frequency. I dash your king will lead you. Who am? I think his decision dash his job was stupid. To give up. I prefer driving dash traveling by train. 2. Dash elected him president. The people gave him their loyal support. Having. Tanya has been writing her report dash 2 o'clock. She is written 12 pages since. Mr. Ajmal was going to continue dash, but he lost his job. Work. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है ना, वो मैथमेटिक्स का पोर्शन स्टार्ट हो गया है। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है 2² माइनस मॉडल्स 2 प्लस माइनस मॉडल्स 2 प्लस और -2 का होल स्क्वायर। तो इसका राइट आंसर है 8। अच्छा जी, इफ़ a minus 1 over a का square is equal to 16, then what would be the value of 2 into a square plus 1 over a square? तो none of these is correct answer. Under root k4 over 25 plus k4 over 16, तो इसका राइट आंसर है 2k square over 9. If q is equal to 56 and r is equal to 37, then what is q square minus r square over q minus r? तो 93 इसका राइट आंसर है। ये आना था q प्लस आर क्यू माइनस आर ओवर क्यू माइनस आर, तो क्यू माइनस आर से कट जाना था, तो क्यू प्लस आर जो है ना वो 93 बनता है। इफ़ g इज इक्वल टू 1/1/1 प्लस 2 over t, when 1 is equal to 5 and t is equal to 3, then g is, तो -15/7 इसका राइट आंसर। If 3/17 of a number is 51, what is 2/17 of what number? 34. If 25% proposals are rejected for a project, what is the ratio of the number of proposals accepted to the number of proposal rejected. तो इसका 3:1 राइट आंसर. If 50 masons can build a wall in 20 days, or how many days will 25 take to build the same wall? None of these correct answer. A concrete required 15 bags of cement and 18 bags of sand. If only 10 bags of cement are used, how much sand is required to make the concrete? 12 bags. If I ratio T is equal to 3:4, then what would be 4i minus T into 2i plus 3T? So 4:9 is the right answer. If 25% of A is 50% of B, then B is what percent of A? 50%. The area of rectangular is the product of length and width. If the width of the rectangle is decreased by 25% and length is increased by 16%, then the area is decreased by 13% is right answer. If the sales tax is reduced from 8% to 6%, then what would be difference in the price rupees 250 of an item? None of these. If tax on salary is 15%, then what is the monthly salary of a person who pays 4500 tax per month? तो इसका आंसर था 30,000. Price of commodity is increased from 40 rupees to 50 rupees in a local market. What percentage was this increased? 15%. The average of 40 numbers is 28. If 35 and 53 are excluded, then the average of the remaining numbers is none of these correct answer. The mean of 5 observations is 60. The mean of 10 observation is 30. The mean of 15 observation is 20. The mean of all 30 observation is 30. The sum of all even numbers up to 100 is, इसका राइट आंसर है 2550. तो 2550 इसका राइट आंसर है. ये नन ऑफ दीज यहाँ पे रॉन्ग लिखा है. Amna has twice much money as Mariam. Mariam has 50% more money than Sarah. If the average money with them is 110, then Amna has, तो इसका राइट आंसर नन ऑफ दीज. The average temperature of Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday was 30 degrees centigrade. The average temperature for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 31 degrees centigrade. If temperature on Thursday was 32 degrees centigrade, then what was the temperature on Monday? 29 degrees centigrade. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट पोर्शन जो है ना करंट अफेयर का. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, which country was second largest spender in military expenditure in 2019? China. Which of the following institutes releases report from the great lockdown to the great meltdown? UNCTAD. World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as pandemic on which date? 11th of March 2020. Who was the Taliban negotiated for talk with United States? Mullah Abdul Ghani brother. Which country received the 25th observer status in World Trade Organization? तो तुर्कमानिस्तान इसका राइट आंसर था. नन ऑफ दीज था यहाँ पे आंसर. Which country will host the World Tourism Forum 2021? Pakistan. How many districts are there in Balochistan? 33. Which country's capital was rocked by a massive explosion in August 2020? Lebanon. For how many times Saad Hariri becomes Prime Minister of Lebanon? So 4th time. How many votes of United States Electoral college Joe Biden got in November 2020 elections? 270. PIA announced cargo flight to which country? Saudi Arabia. Who was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021? Donald Trump. Which country has recently abolished kafala system? Saudi Arabia. Who is the current chairman of Ruwat Halal Committee? Maulana Abdul Khabir Azad. Which among of the following planet has snow-capped mountains? Pluto. Which region of the world has declared free of wild polio 25th August 2020? Africa. Which country has top FIFA world ranking? Belgium. Who is the current president of USA? Joe Biden. What is the current share of Pakistan in world population? 2.83%. Who has been rated best captain by ICC in January 2021? Imran Khan. Data Bhai Noorji, known as Grand Old Man of India, was Parasai intellectual or Indian political, cotton trade, or all? All of these का right answer. In dash, English was made the medium of instruction in subcontinent 1835. The viceroy who put forward the proposal of August offer in 1940 was Lord Lithgow. The president of USA asked British government to divide India into two parts, namely Muslim India and Hindu India. तो इसका राइट आंसर है फ्रैंकलिन डी रोजवेल्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है प्रोडक्ट का ईयर पूछा तो 1949 है. हु बिकम द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ अक्टूबर 1990 इलेक्शंस? नवाज शरीफ. Under the 19th Amendment, the number of senior judges in the Judicial Commission has been raised to 4. The first Constituent Assembly lasted for 7 years. The main aim of Home Rule movement was to attain self-government with the British Empire. According to Government Act India 1935, India has been decided to 11 provinces. The literal meaning of masjid is ibadatgah. The fasting रोज़ा कब फ़र्ज हुआ? तो 2 हिजरी को हुआ. द रुकन इस्लाम डैश इज कॉल्ड शील्ड, तो रोज़े को कहते हैं. द लिटरल मीनिंग ऑफ ज़कात टू प्योरीफाई. टोटल मसारफ ज़कात 8. The literal meaning of Islam, obey order. Zakat cleans our wealth. To make around the Kaaba is तवाफ़ को कहते हैं, और रमी कहते हैं शैतान को कंकरियाँ मारना. खुतबा हज्जतुल विदा was delivered at Arafat. The number of Jamarat are 3. Dash includes superscript, subscript, outline and emboss. The word art is the right answer. In an MS Word document, dash are minimum number of rows and columns, 1. We can create a spreadsheet in MS Excel. Dash file format can be added to a PowerPoint show, all of these. Dash are the special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation. So transition is the right answer. From the following, dash view is not one of PowerPoint view presentation. For printing a PowerPoint presentation, one has to press the dash shortcut key Ctrl P. Dash is the term used when one has to press and hold mouse key and move the mouse around the slide, dragging. To stop a slide show, we can press escape. Normally a spreadsheet contains columns and rows. MS Excel uses the dash functions when creating a data table. तो टेबल इसका राइट आंसर है. In MS Excel, the value used in a formula that does not change is called a constant. In MS Excel, constant is another name of dash type of data number. Dash enable drawing text in a MS Word document. तो Word art इसका right answer है. Microsoft PowerPoint is dash type of program presentation. The tool used to find a similar word in a document is called Taggeries. In dash is the default page setup orientation of slide in MS PowerPoint landscape. In MS Office, a feature that saves the document automatically after certain interval is called autosave. Dash feature is used to make selected sentence to all capital letters or small letters change case. Dash software application was not part of the first version of Microsoft Office. तो Outlook इसका राइट आंसर है. तो ये आज की वीडियो थी. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा.